Okay, hello and welcome everybody. What I want to do today is I want to take some time and I want to show you how to access the Google Chrome store and find apps or extensions that may be helpful for you as an educator. So the first thing we need to do is obviously we need to open we can open Google Chrome. If you don't have Chrome, I recommend that you download Chrome because it works much faster and then you can get to the Chrome store easier. So if you have Google Chrome and you have it open, in the top right hand corner there's going to be an app. It says apps or a toggle. We can click on that toggle and then we can click on Chrome Store. And it's going to take us to the Google Chrome store where we can search for apps and extensions that we might feel are beneficial in our classrooms. If you did not have the app toggle in the left hand corner, you could just as simply go to a Google search and type in Chrome Store. And then the very first link that pops up would be the Google Chrome Store, and it's going to take you to the exact same page that I already had open. So if we go back to that window, and one of the ones that I want to show you specifically today is a URL shortener and a QR code producer. I know a lot of people, the push is towards using technology and letting kids use devices. Well, this is a very helpful, useful way that you could get your kids involved in using their personal devices in school. So if we just type in goo.gl, and I've already searched for it, so it's going to be this first one here. And it's going to give me options of whether I want to see all the apps, extensions, and themes. I can just search by app, I can search by extension, I could also search by theme. We want to go to an extension because that's what we're showing you today. The very first extension here is the goo.gl URL shortener. It will also produce QR codes for you. Now if you didn't have this downloaded, it would say free and then you would click it and it would download. Once you download an extension, it goes in the top right hand corner here in your toolbar. So I want to show you how the URL QR code shortener works. So what I want to do is I want to show the teachers here at Mentor High how to get to the coach's website. So if I click on the extension over here, it's going to give me a URL. So I could copy the URL, or I could just highlight and copy it and then paste it wherever I wanted. But the biggest thing we can do is just click here and it will generate a QR code for me. And then the next step is clicking on the QR code and then it's going to open it in a new window. Now if I go into creating a new document, I can now go back to that window. I'm going to copy this image and then I can paste it in here. Hopefully it'll give me an image. Let's try that one more time. I'm going to save the image. And now I should be able to insert that image. Okay, so now I actually have the image. And you could put that into a document to make sure that anybody that scanned that, it would take them to the instructional coach's website here at Mentor High. I hope you find this useful, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask.